You know that you should be building an email list, but for some people, they never get round to doing it because it just looks so complicated. Well, in this video, I will share with you a new way of building a list that's going to make the old way a little bit irrelevant. So I'm over here at one of my websites, and when people come to the home page, above the fold, which means they've not got to scroll down, their eyes are drawn to this big green button. Now, if you click on this button, it takes people to this little pop-up where they can enter their name, their email address, and they can get what's called a lead magnet, something for free, which in this case I have created in exchange for their name and email address. They then get this gift through email follow-up, and it enables me the opportunity to build a relationship with these people and at some point down the line convert them into one of my paid programs. Now, this does work, but there are lots of moving pieces to the puzzle, and that can put people off. What do I create? How do I create an opt-in page, a thank you page, a lead magnet, integrate it all together? What happens if I need to update things? How does it all work? And it puts people off. Well, what I'm going to share with you is a simpler way of doing things. So if we go over here to YouTube, you can see that I've got a bunch of these videos in a playlist. Now, these videos are getting various degrees of traffic, so let's just open up one of these videos. Let's go to this one here. If we open up this video, you can see that I'm giving people a free gift here. So this is the URL that I'm getting people to go to. Now, if we go and open this up in a new tab and we put this URL in here, we can see that as soon as people start reading, there's a pop-up that appears and it's all blurred. And if people want to keep reading, they're going to have to enter their name and email address in order to get that gift, which at first glance seems like the same process. But the great thing is we can now leverage AI to do all of this within one dashboard. We don't need to buy page builders. We don't need to upload our lead magnets to third-party hosting places like Amazon S3. We can check all of the stats in one place, and it's super powerful. I want to share with you my results. So this is inside of a software called Lead Creator, which enables me to create these lead magnets, to add that little pop-up that you saw. It integrates with my autoresponder, and it's all in one platform. I don't need to do it on my own site. And I can leverage AI to create those lead magnets as well. And what can we see here? Let's just kind of bring myself over here. You can see that all of these little lead magnets that I've created, this one's got on me 56 leads, this one's got on 100, 57 leads, 83 leads. And these are all things that I could create in a matter of minutes and put below YouTube videos, or put inside of content, or even email out to my audience and then get them to opt into other lists. And it's just such a simple way of building an email list. And if I ever want to update any of these lead magnets, I can do it in this dashboard, and anybody that's ever accessed that lead magnet will then automatically get the new version. Now, if you'd like to see how this tool works exactly, I have another video where I walk you through this tool, but it's incredibly powerful. And let me just give you a very, very quick kind of explanation of how this works. So let's open up this one here. So we're going to click on this lead magnet. So this is a lead magnet that I created, and you can see here we've got all of this really cool content on how we can leverage a specific AI tool, in this case Notebook LM, to optimize content and potentially improve its chances of ranking on Google. So I create a video which talks about this particular topic. People are then directed below the video, they see a link, they click on it, and before they can read all of the content, that little pop-up appears, and if they want to read all of the content, it's entirely up to them. They can opt in, and then they can get this, and they're automatically put onto my email list, which then talks more about how to leverage AI to do a bunch of things. And further on down the line, once I've built a relationship with these people, then hopefully some of them will become members of my paid content or buy a product through my affiliate recommendations, etc. So let's very quickly go and create one of these little lead magnets. Now, to demonstrate this, I've got a video here on YouTube. This video has currently got about 57,000 views. but I'm not leveraging that traffic to build a list, which is a little bit silly. So what I need to do is try to come up with an idea that I can then employ and get the people that watch this video, or some of them at least, to opt in and join my email list. So I'm going to go over to Lead Creator, and then I'm just going to go back to the start and create lead magnets, create lead magnet, and I'll just call this YouTube ads video. For my category, it's related to my YouTube channel. And what template shall we use? Let's go with raw ChatGPT, and we're going to type in a prompt here. So it needs to be something that is going to be beneficial to people that watch this video. So I'm just going to put something like, tell me 5 ways that YouTube ads can be useful. And then we'll hit create. And we're just going to have to wait a couple of minutes. We'll get rid of this green pop-up. And this tool is going to go and it's going to create a very quick lead magnet. Now we can edit the lead magnet, we can add images, videos, links, etc. But I'm not going to do that in this video. Again, I mentioned I've got other video online which shows you how to use this. But we've got this great lead magnet here. We've got an introduction. We talk all about YouTube ads. I'm going to get rid of this last bit here. And you know, I might come back later and make this look nicer and add links, but for now, we'll leave this as is. I'll just make this centered so that it looks a little bit better. Now I'm going to go to email capture. So I'm going to choose the standard template. I'm going to put why you should use YouTube ads. I'll just make the U capital U. We'll then leave this as is, and I'll just put show me why. As for styles, I'm going to change this to an orange. Maybe, there we go. I'll bring myself over here so you can see it. And as for a trigger, I'm going to have this blur after 2 seconds. So people will start reading that content we've just seen. After 2 seconds, it will blur. We'll come up and save changes. I'll then come down to integrations and make sure that anybody that opts in goes onto my email list. So I want to choose my broadcast newsletter, save changes. Finally, for settings, I'm going to choose my URL that I've connected to this account, and I'll just put YT ads update. Make sure that's there as well. So that's all done. Now we go back here, we'll click on back. We'll go to that YouTube ads one that we just created. First, we're going to publish it. Brilliant. Let's get rid of that. Now we're going to view it as somebody else would see. Oh, look, the 5 benefits of you. Oh, I can't read anymore. I need to opt in order to read that content. Now off screen, I'm just going to copy that URL. I'm going to come here and I'm going to just put this down here, and I'm just going to put free YouTube ads gift, put that URL in here, hit save. And now anybody that clicks on that has the opportunity to opt in and join my list. Now, ideally, I'd probably put this a couple of lines up so people haven't got to open up the description to see it. But I just want to show you how quick and easy it was to do. I've now got a lead magnet connected to my email list that's live. It's up and running. All I've got to do is, wait for people to opt in. Now, of course, if this video only got 5 views, then it's going to be a pointless endeavor. You need to learn how to, generate traffic. But once you can get traffic to places where your links are, people come onto your list. And then if you know how to convert them, you can then turn these people into sales at some point further on down the line. So again, AI list building makes life so easy. You do, of course, want to make sure that the lead magnets that you create are of value, that they are factually correct. So you need to know something a little bit about the subject matter. I'm going to probably go back and edit that one when I stop recording this video so that it looks nicer. I might remove some bits, add some bits, I'm not sure yet. But again, just to show you how quick and easy it is. I hope you got some value from this video. If you'd like to learn more about Lead Creator, there'll be a link below this video. Other than that, thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you're not done so already, and I'll see you soon. Take care.